Welcome back, everybody, to ACE SAT. Today we're solving yet another real SAT math question from the official College Board Educator question bank. This one with question ID 2c288148. So here we're given the equation root of k minus x is equal to 58 minus x. In the given equation, k is a constant. The equation has exactly one real solution. What is the minimum possible value of 4k? Now, ideally, we want to find k or 4k as a whole. I'm assuming that in our solving of k, we're going to have 4k. So here, root of k minus x is equal to 58 minus x, right? Just recopy the formula. Now, let me go on the route of finding k, right? So, squaring both sides, I get k minus x is equal to 58 minus x squared. And then k minus x is equal to the expansion of 58 minus x squared, so which is x squared minus 116x plus 3,364. Now bringing everything to one side, I get x squared minus 115x plus 3,364 minus k. Now here we're going to use discriminants. And here, if you notice something, in discriminants, if you have one singular solution, right, you're going to use equal 0 because at the because in the quadratic formula, if you do minus b plus or minus root of 0, which is 0, you get minus b plus or minus 0, which gives you one solution, right? You won't have minus b plus 3 or minus b minus 3, which will give you two different answers. It gives you one answer, hence the one real solution. Hence, when I use b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, I solve for k with all this, algebra going around here, and I get 13,225 minus 13,456 plus 4k is equal to 0. Now shifting my non-coefficient values to one side, I get 4k is equal to 231. Now, any less than that, so 4k less than 231, would mean no solution, because if I had 4k less than 231, that would mean that, what I rooted in my quadratic formula was negative, which means zero solutions. Hence, when 4k equals 231, or so when 4k is equal to 31, that is the minimum possible value of k. Anything upper than that, would give me probably maybe two solutions. Only at the point of 4k is equal to 231 is the minimum possible value of 4k, because any lower than that would mean no solution, right? Over here, if I get less than 0, then the root of, a negative number is just impossible, hence no solution. Hence 4k is equal to 231 would be the minimum possible value of k. I will go over discriminants in another video, but discriminants do come up very often in the SAT, so make sure that you guys study this topic in depth. Other than that, I'll see you guys in another video, and take care. Leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a comment, anything to support the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.